Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. We are currently down 2.2% on natural gas today on the 1 hour chart. We just got off of oversold territory on the 1 hour RSI. On the 4 hour chart, we just entered oversold territory on the RSI, and as we expand out into the daily chart, we are nearing all-time low in the 5-year span. We are near the price of 2040, so we are nearing that bottom, but that's not a guaranteed support because I'm counting on us touching the oversold territory on the daily RSI. Once that, we'll find somewhat a stable support, but I have a feeling we may go down a bit further. So that is my support there. But if we were to quickly reverse immediately, the next resistance is not the 9-day moving average, but the support right here, or the resistance acting as past support. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement will be about 5.2% move up, and if we were to continue on down, there's not much room to move down to hit this support. It is only 44 basis points. So if you wanted to go long, it could be beneficial if you add little by little. There's no guarantee that this is support again. With commodities, it can drastically go down much lower, so there you have to practice caution with that. So on to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to September 13, 2017 to December 7th, 2017. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is we have a downtrend in formation, channel pointing down, and then we touched the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded on higher, touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. So we have a bottom and an immediate touch, and then we touch the bottom again right here, the bottom Bollinger Band, and then we made an attempt to touch the middle Bollinger Band, not quite, and then we proceeded on down right here. So we have 3 bottoms touching the bottom Bollinger Band. We see that action right here as well, the downtrend touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and we see it quickly touching, but not quite on this instance, but heading towards the upper Bollinger Band. It retreated and touched the bottom Bollinger Band right here again. Made an attempt to close above the middle Bollinger Band, but failed that day, and then we proceeded to go down once more. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So there's reason to believe if the points and trends are similar, the outcome would also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. So again, the trend we took a look at was September 13, 2017 to December 7, 2017. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Back then, natural gas was still down about 1.6%. So I would still caution for those who want to buy in, thinking that this can't get any lower, but there is a possibility it can. So for those buying, remain cautious. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.